So, we've been creating content from our bedroom for quite some time now, be it music production, making videos for YouTube and all of that. And we've tried to make it work. But it's no longer cutting it because, the room is blue and pink. There's only so much you can do with a room that is blue and pink. So, we decided to do a makeover of the whole space. What's going on, guys? I'm Royce. Nino is behind the camera and we're Happyboy. We usually try to be creative, be it art, photography, music, and in this case, destroying our bedroom. The intention with the design is to have a minimalist look and still have things set in place to improve productivity whenever I want to carry out a task in the space. And also trying to achieve a scenario where every possible angle you turn the camera towards is pleasant as a background. We are replacing the curtains with much longer ones which are going to be placed higher. And we are sticking to curtains because when open you get a lot of natural light and you can easily just close them up when you need to black out the room. For acoustics, putting into consideration what will look good and still serve its primary function of sound treatment, the plan is to have bass straps at these corners of the room and also have acoustic panels lined up on this left wall and this right wall. We are going to be having two desk setups, one on the left majorly for anything relating to music and the other will be on the right as an editing station. We came up with an idea to have an accent wall span half the length of this wall on the right and also have a couch placed right in front of that, so that space will serve as our sitting area. The best possible way to use this space would be to set it up as a reading nook, which I personally will not be reading at. We plan to have floating shelves on that wall where we can place some books and some props and also have pendant lights that will serve as practical lighting and also, make that whole space pop. My brothers and I started by clearing out the room, moving out our gadgets, camera equipment, artworks and all of that. Next, we moved out our quite exquisite multicolored chairs. Yes. Moving our fancy, state-of-the-art portable air conditioner was a little bit tricky. Working with live wire is no joke, but we got the job done. Next was our wardrobe, which we had to empty first, obviously, then dismantle it so we could take them out in bits and pieces and reassemble them somewhere else so we can continue using them. Breaking down the divider that went around the whole room was the point where I was like, oh well, there's no going back now. We also took out the baseboards, which were previously made up of tile, because we're going to be replacing that with wood. We also tried to clean up as we worked, because if you don't clean up as you work, the magnitude of trash you're going to have at the end of the day is gonna be robust. Yes. So here's where we are, guys. We had to extend our power outlets for obvious reasons. We have many things to connect inside this space. And to do that, we had to put our wires through PVC pipes into the wall to keep that clean look. I don't like wires being around. Do you get it? And it's not like I couldn't do it myself or we couldn't do it. Can't we? We can't. We had to get a professional to help us do that. We'll link the professional in the description box. After all that was done, we also got a professional to come seal and screed everything back so everything will be flush, which we don't know how to do, so we had to call a professional for that. And we also moved our switches. There were some switches that were not useful in some positions. We took them out, we deleted them, and moved them all to one spot to keep everything clean and accessible. So right now we're going to sand the screeded portion to make everything flush and clean and prep for painting.
Alright, update guys. We've got most of the room painted now. I'm actually in love with this grey, it slaps. The white is done. This part is not done yet. We still need to get some more paint and finish it up with some more white. And the doors are going to be painted black. This door and that door. We don't know if we're going to paint it in this video but we'll see how it goes. Alright, we actually did the doors and you get to see them in this video. So for the first door, the white door, we had to take it down off its hinges. It would be easier to work with it that way. We took it down, we cleaned it down, made sure everything was all spick and span, the surface was good to work on, and we painted it roughly like 2 coats. We got a matte black paint. It was not easy to find, but we got it and we painted it, and honestly, I think the door looks spanky. Also, remember the wall that was not finished? Well, we eventually finished it, but we lost our files. Like, stuff happens. You lose files sometimes. Life of a YouTuber, right? But then for the last door, the paint was not going to work, so we got spray cans. Actually, 1 spray can, 1 Liquitex spray can. It was also matte black, and we sprayed the door down. And at the end of the day, I'm really loving what the doors look like, and I think they all look good.
Alright, that's going to be it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed, please drop a like. Also, you've seen the designs. Let us know in the comment section what you feel about them. If you have any suggestions, you can drop them in the comment section. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on your post notifications so you won't miss out on future episodes of the Studio Builder series. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Peace. Stay happy.